the last video that you will have to watch today for social studies. I want you to think about, why did Henry leave? His personal rights, right? Whoa. He was being, not attacked, but they kept pestering him. And no one likes to keep getting pestered, okay? And it is his personal right to leave if he chooses. He's still owning the house, and he can choose to leave it too. But why did Henry want to return to the housing community? Why did he want to return? He ended up missing them, didn't he? Maybe he didn't want to mow his grass, but he liked getting pies, and he liked his house, right? So, what was his compromise? Maybe he didn't like mowing his grass because he ended up writing the mayor, right? Which, remember, is like the principal of the town or the city. And he was saying, could I let my grass grow if I fix the broken gate, if I'm drawing a blank, I can't remember. If I fix the few things on my house and the gate, could I let my grass grow? But I really miss my house and the people and my tree, and I would really like to come back. Okay? So what I want you to do, real quick, I know, social studies today has been a little bit long, but you have today, and then we have some new stuff tomorrow, which I don't think should take as long as it did today. And then you're going to have a review day, and then Thursday is the test, and we'll be done with this stuff, okay? And then when we come back after Christmas, we'll be on to science. I like science a lot better than social studies. I don't usually teach social studies also, by the way, fun fact. Miss Hogel usually teaches social studies, and we usually switch. So she's giving me kind of like the rundown of what I need to cover with you guys. And thinking about it, I don't do like the super awesomest job, but I am trying, okay? So what I would like you to do is to write a letter back to Henry. Are you going to allow him to come back to his house and his tree and his yard? Are you going to say, yeah, you can come back, but this has to happen? Or are you going to say, no, you can't come back? So I want you to write a sentence telling me, can he come back or not? And then if he can't come back, then I want to know why. Like, you can't just say, no, you can't come back. He has to have a reason why he's not allowed back. But if he can come back, then you're going to write a couple sentences about what your demands are going to be. What is going to look different this time around if he comes back? Is he going to have to keep his grass mowed? Is he going to have to fix A, B, C, and D? Is it okay if he comes back and he doesn't have to fix anything? What would your response be to him? Okay, so if you need to, go back to the last video and then just forward it to the end part where he writes the note to the mayor, and then write your response note back to him. And I'm going to put a turn-in link below this too, because I would like to see your letter to Henry, and then you are done with social studies for today. Thanks, guys, for bearing with me and going through so many videos. I hope that you guys have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.